My man's over here looking for his wire strippers because tools just disappear. If you've ever worked on cars or anything, you'll realize that tools just disappear. It's not your fault. That's just how it goes. And I don't know where my wire strippers are now. Where are you? All right, so to take off the bumper, you're gonna need a 10 mil and maybe an extension. Oh, my monitor's about to die. Okay, back to it. So you need a 10 millimeter and
Wait, how can you? That's a new one. That's a new one.
you might need an extension just to get to the top bolts. You're also gonna need a small flathead or a big flathead, or a plastic removal tool, and then a small Phillips head screwdriver. So what we're doing today is I'm actually taking this center badge off. So this is the JDM C badge that I'm actually gonna move onto my car. You're gonna take off the top radiator cowl panel thingy. So all you're gonna do is press these pop stays in. This one. That's it, and then this thing will pop right off carefully.
You're gonna hold all this.
Yeah.
Yo, hold on.
No, you're chilling. I'll put it over here.
Oh, okay, okay.
This tiny little.
Just make sure everything don't fall in here.
Yeah. Okay, so you have to take that off. Then. So you can take the top cowl panel off. Then after that, there's a bolt right here. Wait, let me get this light. Sorry, back to it. So you're gonna take this bolt off right here, this one, and this one. They're all 10 mils. Actually, I don't know how I'm gonna get underneath, but let's see. What's this flashlight? So underneath here, there's a 10 mil over here, one right here, another one right here, one more over here. There's two in the middle, right here and right here. Honestly, if you just look underneath and you see all these 10 millimeters, just take all of them off on the front bumper. And then after that, there's this little pop stay looking thing. So take that off, unclip these two things right here, and then just pull the bumper right off. Alright, so after you take off all those bolts and then the two little pop stays on the edge, you can basically just pull the bumper off. But because this is an XSE, keep in mind you do have fog lights, so you're gonna have to unplug those first, as well as unplug the badge. So this is the radar, so you're gonna have to actually unplug the little badge in the back. It's gonna look like this. Unplug this little thing right here. Take that off, and then after you unplug that, then unplug the fog lights, and then you can take the bumper off. Alright, so now that I have light on the bumper, to take off the badge, so the black part in the front, the grill I should say, you're going to take out this screw, this one right here, this one, there's one more over here, and then one over here. So 6 screws. You're going to have to take off this one on the top, so that top one right there, and this one, as well as this little plastic piece, and then under the under this plastic right here.
I'd wet it.
Under this plastic, there's another one right here that you're gonna take off. Same on the other side. So, screw, black little plastic pop stay, and another one right here. You're gonna take that off. That will help you get this black piece off in the back, and then you can take the front grille off. So let's get to that. With this little, so after you take all the screws off, this little tab comes off. There's another one on this side. You just kind of pry it from the bottom. The top will come out, and then the back you'll see the badge, and there's gonna be these retention clips. So there's 4 around the badge, and then there's gonna be 3 on either side. So just look for the black tabs that are sticking out on the back side, and then push those in, and you can push the whole badge out and it comes right out. So now after you put the badge back on, you can put the bumper back on. Kind of self-explanatory. Do everything we did, but in reverse. So plug in the fog lights, put the bumper on, plug in the badge, and then put all the screws on and the pop stays, and you're good. No, I think you gotta turn on your headlight. There you go. Yeah, they were good. Nice, nice. All right, bumper's on. So after that, you're done.